and fight. Straight up, spinning up his weapon, getting flipped by Splatter.
Going with the big
and a huge hit.
Going with the big wedge.
Splatter using his flipper as a hammer all of a sudden. And straight up with another huge hit on his opponent. And another one. The flipper is broken on Splatter.
Big wedge, man.
Splatter is flipped again.
Matthew, do that!
Splatter being coached by his father on this. Appears to be working as he is it's on his weapon. The weapon is stuck.
Hit him.
And it's getting hammered.
Matthew,
nobody knows what Splatter is anymore. That doesn't matter. Splatter's still being constantly aggressive at his opponent. There's only 30 seconds remaining, and straight up needs to show some movement. 10, 9, 8, 7,